Hello, today I want to continue with the fog of war like I showed in the last video. When we enter the level, the walls that hide the content of the level are removed, but this is a bit sudden, so I want to make a function which removes the fog of a given level, which we will call, let's see, in the world, instead of this, we will call this this function. The house. And in here we will obviously, the first approximation is obviously to make all the fog invisible like before, like this. But I want to make it gradual. So I will make use of Godot's timers and coroutines, similar to Unity's coroutines. First of all, let's check if the level is not visible, we will return, because this is redundant. And then we need to get the positions of the fog, which is in this dictionary. They are indexed by position keys. For each key we will remove fog cell position, and we will make again the fog with one less cell than before. Obviously this will, let's see if this works without making the fog invisible. Let's see. Yeah, it seems to do the same. But obviously we need to make it gradually in time. Instead of making it all this loop in one frame, we need to make a timer and invoke, let's see, for example, let's give it a quarter of a second, and then I wait for the timer timeout signal. Let's see, this should work. No, we need to add the timer to the player in this case. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit slow, but it will work. Let's give it a bit less time. Okay. You know what? This let's pass a boolean here and do it instantly for the house. We need to do it. Okay. This should work instantly for the house, and when we enter a new level, it's gradual. Okay. Now, the problem with this, as you see, is that the positions are in a non-specified order, because it's the order in which the dictionary stores or returns the keys in this function. By the way, I use this function here because we iterate over the dictionary. This will not work, or it will remove only one. Let's see. Yeah, it removed only one key from the dictionary, because this function modifies the collection, the dictionary, and if you loop over a dictionary, modifying the loop will be in an inconsistent state. So we need to take the keys separately, so we can remove them from the dictionary without compromising the loop. So this, let's see, this is working. Okay. What I want to do is to sort these keys by proximity. Let's sort custom. Let's see, sort custom takes a function. Returns A and B. Okay, in this case, no, it returns a boolean. Okay, it must return a boolean, and let's return true in this case, and obviously this is not sorting. It's sorting in the opposite way. Okay, we must return distance squared to global position of the player is less than the distance to B. So this will sort. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Let's see in a bigger level. For example, this one. Yeah, interesting. Let's do a quicker effect. Perhaps it's not. Let's do it faster. Okay. If we put, yeah, this will depend on the frame rate, I think, but what happens, let's see what happens in a normal situation instead of entering via, sorry, this is the door. Let's see. This should happen. We are not calling. Yeah, we need to call this function also in the move function. Let's see. When we detect paste here, we remove the fog from the current level. We need the parameter. Let's see. In the first level. Yeah. Nice. And now let's try this. Bridges are useful to separate things from the glue. Nice. Interesting effect. Let's try it once more. And I think it's the timer is yeah, it's nice to you know what, I should also occlude the lava, but perhaps not. No, perhaps not. It's a nice touch visually to see the lava. The only problem with this so far is that there is some visual difference here because the UV coordinates are, for some reason, are different when we, or the sampling of the texture is different when we have borders. And yeah, it's something I must check later. But yeah, I like how it's working now. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have comments or suggestions. Please like and subscribe, and consider supporting me using some of the links below. Thanks.